Okay, in the ecom deployment, we have used a package manager named Helm. And now I want to know like what is Helm and like why is it used in Kubernetes?
Okay, so basically we already know what a package manager is. For example, we used on everything like for any programming language. If we say about JavaScript, there is npm. For Python, there is pip, and in our Ubuntu we used the apt command. So Helm is basically similar to that, and we use Helm to install any specific packages in our cluster or Kubernetes. So if we wanted to install the MySQL or any a specific application, we have to deploy everything, configure everything ourselves. But with the package manager, it makes our process a little quite a lot easier. For example, if we wanted to create the YAML file ourselves, we have to maintain everything like how much we want to configure and how much we want to customize. But if we use the Helm, there are some uh, predefined text, I mean, which we can customize as we want, and everything else will be default as they mentioned in their Helm package. So we can just install the first of all we have to add the repo, like we want to use the Bitnami or anything else like EKS. There are multiple repo link, so we have to add the repo, then update the repo, and simply just like use one command like helm install, then the repo name, release name, then the repo link, and it will just create the application with one command. So we can customize as we need, but it is very easy just if we want to deploy application.
Thank you.